All right, so you guys, what time did you get here?
7.
7 o'clock. You're going to spend the whole night.
Yes, sir. We're here.
That's pretty cool. And what, you got like a tent? You got everything going
Yeah,
on.
I got a 10. I came all the way from Virginia. It took me 4 hours to get here.
Wow.
It was crazy. I do this all the time. This is like my 20th grand opening.
Oh, really?
And I got here at like 6:30 p.m.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. My name is Bree.
Hey, Bree. All right. Well, we will be back here tomorrow morning,
Back.
like 5:30, so you won't be in yet. You going to be awake? Are you planning to sleep?
Well, they power wash the sidewalks at 4 a.m., so we'll have to move off.
Oh, really?
So, yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
So
Cool.
I don't know if I'll be up, but
Wow, that's fantastic. All right, guys.
he's the first one.
He's the first one. All night. All night. When do you get in? 8 o'clock tomorrow morning? Something like that? Wow. Cool. All right, guys. Well, I will see you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
I'm gonna get some sleep.